Yeah, Austin, there is a bunch of teams left. 1 second, I'm going to put you on pause. Let me write them down real quick. All right, Austin, you still there? Yeah, we have the Suns, Celtics, Knicks, Pacers, Heat, Clippers, and Wizards. So the Suns, Celtics, Knicks, Pacers, Heat, Clippers, Wizards. Those who we got left. What's up, Dope Kicks? Looking to get started at 7, maybe like 7:02, 7:03. Gotta wait for more people to join. Got a bunch of responses, so I'd imagine I would hope like at least we're gonna get at least 10 people in here, but who knows? A lot of people like to check it out on YouTube after, and a lot of people like to check it out just on our profile, so which is fine. It's a Sunday at 7, so I understand. Austin, let me know if you want any of those teams. I can reserve you. Shoot me an offer, whatever you want. If you do want them. If you don't want them, all good. Suns. I do the Suns for probably $12 shipped. If there's a second team you liked, I could add them on for real cheap. But I'd probably do the Suns for $12 shipped. Yeah, goal is to rip here in a little bit. Gonna be waiting for people. We'll start off with NBA hoops first. Dope Kicks. Suns, unless Austin wants the Suns. Yeah, I do the Suns in one more team. All right, Austin, let me know what other team you want. The Celtics, Knicks, Pacers, Heat, and Clippers, and Wizards. Okay, Dope Kicks, you hear that? So the Celtics, Knicks, let me just write it down. Celtics, Knicks, Pacers, Heat, Clippers, Wiz. And then we wouldn't have to, so right there, Celtics, Heat, Celtics, Knicks, Pacers, Heat, Clippers, Wiz. Could I get Celtics as well? Yeah. Also, I'd probably have to do like 18 for both of them, Suns and Celtics, which is still an unbelievable deal. But let me know if you want to do that. Dope Kicks, if you want any of those. Knicks, I'd add the Knicks on to you for $7, $6. We'll do $6 if that's what you want. Dope Kicks, $6 Knicks. Austin, $18 for Celtics and Suns, $12 for just Suns. All right, Austin, I'll give you Celtics, Suns. Sounds good. $18. And then we'll just obviously take care of it after. How about Knicks and the Wizards? All right, you asked for the Knicks first time. I said $6 in Knicks. I'd do $8. I'd give you the Wizards for $2, literally. At this point, since it's right now, yeah, I do them for $8. Both Knicks and Wizards, $8 total. And then I just added into your shipment already, so nothing extra for shipping. All right, Austin, got you down for $18. Austin, the rest of the teams would be the Pacers, Heat, and the Clippers. Pacers, Heat, Clippers. Austin, I would do, it's already 18. Pacers, Heat, and Clippers, I'd probably do everything for 30 shipped. So that'd be 3 extra teams. And then Dope Kicks. Okay, I got you down, Dope. We're going to do Knicks. All right, Austin, $30. All right, got you down for the rest. All right, cool. Thanks, guys. We'll start ripping here in a second. All right, cool. Yep, got you guys both down. Thanks, appreciate it. Yeah, definitely some good deals. I mean, there's a million cards here. We're gonna start off with NBA hoops. Start back here, and then we'll work our way up to Optic. Select right here. Then we got some NBA hoops, Chronicles. We got 2 Select blasters, 1 Optic blaster, 1 Select blaster, and 4 NBA hoops blasters. So in total, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 blasters, 24 Panini hoop retail packs, 6 Mosaic blaster packs, 6 hanger packs, and 2 hanger packs right here. So let's get ripping. And again, this video is going to be posted to the Instagram channel on here, and this video will also be posted to YouTube. Yeah. Dope Kicks, I do. Remind me or DM me after the break, and I'll show you all my Optic that I have. And you can buy whatever, and that way we can save on shipping too, because I'll just throw that in with your cards. I do have a bunch of Optic though, I believe. So yeah, just message me after the break, and we'll get you taken care of. All right, let's get into it. Let's start off with something nice and easy. Actually, we're gonna pop into NBA hoops 21, 2022. Value pack. All right, this break's going to be awesome. We're going to try to go quick, try to run right through the base. The base is going to be tough. There's going to be tons of it. I also don't know all these packs like the back of my hand. If I'm going too fast, obviously I know you guys don't want to see the base. CJ McCollum, arriving now, Chris Duarte. And we got a teal explosion, Klay Thompson. Nice. Or that's not teal, I guess it's blue. Kuminga rookie. Jaden Springer rookie. Josh Christopher rookie. Evan Mobley on the rookie. Scotty Lewis rookie. And Moses Moody rookie. Nice blue explosion there. I don't know if it'd be teal. Almost colorblind. Nice. All right, Chronicles value. Josh Giddey rookie, nice. Scotty Barnes. Dame, Scotty Barnes again. Corey Kispert, Julius Randle, Dame, Kai Jones, Jonathan Kuminga rookie, Zaire Williams, Jalen Green rookie, Jane Springer. Trenton Watford, Herbert Jones, Ja, Ayo DeSumo, Kyrie, and we got Bones on the marquee rookie. We got Cameron Thomas in the XR, Cameron Thomas rookie again, Corey Kispert on the green, marquee rookie, Herbert Jones Crusade, Scotty Barnes Crusade, Jalen Suggs, Alperen Sengun, Cameron Thomas, and Nikola Jokic on the base rookies. And that was our second pack there. That was Chronicles. Definitely a whole bunch of rookies to start it off. That's what we like to see. Let's get into Select. Let's do a little Select. Love Select. It's probably my favorite. This is my favorite NBA to collect. I just love the look of Select. Moses Moody on the rookie. Jason Tatum. LeBron James. Josh Giddey rookie. Nice. Tobias Harris, Sabonis, Kelly Oubre, Jericho Sims rookie, Herbert Jones rookie, Jaden Springer on the rookie, Steph Curry on the green, white, and purple. That is a nice card there for the Warriors. Kyrie Irving numbers, Santi Aldama on the Grizzlies, and Luka Garza on the blue select. Nice. 2 good cards right there. The blue shimmers. Awesome. Good start here for select. All right, let's do an optic value pack. If you guys want to see something, just let me know in the chat what you guys want to see. Rip next. I'll work in whatever order. Got some good stuff here. Aldama on the rated rookie, Joe Harris, DeSumo on the rated rookie, Quentin Grimes on the rated rookie, Desmond Bain, 75 years of the NBA, Clyde Drexler, James Harden, Giannis, SGA on the purple express lane. Nice. Jason Tatum, blue velocity, Vukovic, blue velocity, and Brandon Boston Jr., rated rookie, blue velocity. Nice there. Good collection of rated rookies to start it off. And let's get into a blaster. Let's do a select blaster. Jeez. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 packs. Let's get into it. Herbert Jones, rookie. Dame in the base. Christian Wood. Alex Caruso, silver. Damn. This pack does not want to open for me. Jason Tatum on the back. Sengun, rookie. Miles Bridges, Brandon Ingram, and Jaylen Brown on the silver. Sorry, Jaylen Brown, not Tatum. Jaren Jackson Jr., Franz Wagner, Neemias Queta, and Kyrie on the orange shimmer. Nice card there for the Nets. Anthony Simons, Zaire Williams, Robert Williams Jr., and Steve Nash. 2 more select blaster packs. Dort, Kevin Love, Seth Curry, and Alfred Payton on the green, white, and purple. Chris Duarte. Yeah, we got a base Jalen Green, but nothing other than that. Corey Kispert, I can tell you we're going to be getting some. Hey, John, nice to see you. Thanks for joining. James Bouknight and the orange rookie shimmer. Nice there for the Hornets. Yeah, no Jalen Green yet. I can promise you there's going to be a lot of them, though. There always is. I love him. I think he's going to be awesome. All right, first we have 1 select blaster down. We have 1 select value down, 1 optic value down. Let's get into the Mosaic Blaster now. These are just blaster packs. I'm guessing it. Oh, these are blaster Mosaic packs. That's how I bought them online. I'm going to guess they're straight out of the same blaster, but you never know. And it could be a good thing that they're not. Bradley Beal, Chris Duarte on the green Mosaic. Nice hit there for the Pacers, and Cade Cunningham in the back. Nice. Ben Simmons, Bam. Seth Curry, green. Jason Tatum on the Thunder lane. Nice. Alperen Sengun and Corey Kispert. Darius Garland, Tyler Hero, Chris Middleton, Chris Boucher, Santi Aldama on the green mosaic, and Jalen Suggs. Fred VanVleet, LaMelo Ball, Kristaps, TJ McConnell, Chris Duarte in the silver mosaic rookie. Nice hit there for the Pacers. And there you go, Jalen Green, rookie. Nice. That silver mosaic, Chris Duarte is nice. LaMarcus Aldridge, McCall Bridges, Klay Thompson, Dame Lillard, bang. LeBron James, MVP, and Joel Embiid, All-NBA. Final blaster for Mosaic. Joel Embiid, Nikola Jokic, and Skylar Mays. Skylar Mays auto there for the Hawks. Nice. Bang. LeBron James, and Davion Mitchell on the rookie. Nice mosaic there. No really hits. I guess the biggest hit's probably that silver mosaic. Chris Duarte. We got an auto for the Hawks. That's Skylar Mays. Let's get into NBA hoops now. Looking for Paulo here. Looking for chat. A lot of good stuff. There's a ton of rookies. In this. 2022, 2023. I'm going to fly pretty quick through the base. There's going to be a ton of it. I think there's 80 cards per blaster. Yeah. And of course, the names are hard to read. Or not hard to read, but hard to see. All right. Jalen Williams on the rookie. Nice. Ja Morant. Shadon Sharp. Dame. And Hollow Andrew Wiggins, Skyview. And first rookie, Chet Holmgren. Draymond Green. Peyton Watson. Rookie greetings. Jalen Duran, Gordon Hayward purple, and Pat Connaughton purple. Musa Diabate. And Gabe Vincent. And then we got our first patch. And we got Malachi Branham. Rookie sweaters. Nice. First Magic of the day. Caleb Houston. Moses Moody. Tyrese Martin. Anthony Simons, arriving now, Malachi Branham, and Mike Conley. All right, 2 more blaster packs in this NBA Hoops. First blaster for NBA Hoops. EJ Liddell, rookie. Christian Koloko, rookie. Nikola Jovic, rookie. Pure Players, Jason Tatum. And Season Greetings, Jabari Smith. Final blaster of the NBA Hoops. Our final blaster pack of the NBA Hoops. Walker Kessler, rookie. Nice. Keegan Murray, Terry Eason, Ja Morant, and arriving now, David Roddy. Good collection of rookies there. A lot of base. Always comes with NBA hoops. Still looking for Paulo. No Paulo hits. Let's do... what should we do now? Let's rip into some select value. Oh, jeez. Karl Anthony Towns, Buddy Hield, Primo rookie, Keon Johnson rookie, Isaiah Jackson on the rookie, Scotty B on the rookie, Oscar Robertson, Patrick Williams, silver, turbocharged LeBron James, nice hit there for the Lakers. Cool looking card. Kyrie Irving on the blue shimmer, and Chris Paul on the blue shimmer. Let's keep it going with select, and let's get in our select blaster box in. All right, 6 packs. Get it going. Josh Christopher to start it off as a rookie. TJ Warren, Anthony Edwards, 75 years in the NBA. Jericho Sims on the green, white, and purple. We got an orange, Santi Aldama, Luka Garza, KD, and Keon Johnson on the orange. Bones Highland rookie, Trey Mann rookie, Alfred Payton, and Kawhi Leonard on the silver. Joe Wieskamp, Ja, Marcus Smart, Jason Tatum, silver. Bradley Beal, James Harden, Evan Mobley, rookie, Jimmy Butler, orange shimmer. Desmond Bain, Cameron Thomas, Kevin Love, and Ben Wallace, select company. All right, blaster of select, number 2 down. Let's rip some optic. Let me rearrange here, get some of these cards out of the way. Let's do let's do the optic blaster now. Those are always fun. Good cards in there. All right, we got 5 cards per pack. 1, 2, 3, 6 packs per box. Kristaps, Jared Allen, Greg Brown II, Joe Ingles on the purple, LaMelo Ball, Express Lane, Bogdan Bogdanovic, Duncan Robinson, SGA, Jonathan Kuminga, and Luka Doncic splash. Nice hit there for the Mavs. Cool insert. Kemba Walker, Kelly Olynyk, Devin Booker, Franz Wagner on the rated rookie, and Isaiah Todd on the silver rated rookie. RJ Barrett, Joe Wieskamp rated rookie, and Giannis on the purple T-. That's a nice hit there for the Bucks. Nice card. Dort, Terrence Ross, Sadiq Bey, Josh Christopher, and James Harden, my house. Last pack here of this blaster of Optic. Nikola Jokic, Patrick Williams, McCall Bridges, James Robinson Earl, and Colin Sexton on the silver. Definitely a nice Giannis insert hit there. The purple Giannis is definitely a nice card. Let's get through the NBA hoops here. Let's fly through some NBA hoop retail packs. Walker Kessler rookie card, and a purple Tobias Harris. Is that a filler card, I think? Terry Rozier, Al Horford, Doug McDermott, Musa Diabate, Keon Johnson, and a filler card. Nice. LeBron, KPJ, Caleb Houston, and Paulo on the arriving now. Nice hit for the Magic. Sweet. Nice. Anything Paulo is, he's definitely winning the Rookie of the Year. He's been balling out, or balled out, I guess, this season, as its regular season's over. Jalen Williams, Ja, and arriving now, Ochai Agbaji. LaMelo Ball, Keegan Murray, Terrell Eason, Aaron Wiggins, and Cade Cunningham on the freaking Flyers. Another filler card. Not very many rookies in there. Vince Williams Jr. I don't know. Shadon Sharp on the rookie greetings. Probably about 6 packs into the NBA hoops now. Tyrese Martin, Anthony Simons, and Kevin Durant, freaking Flyers. Rudy Gobert, Nikola Jovic, Ryan Rollins. Ooh. NBA Hoops Rookie Inc. Ryan Rollins. For the Warriors. Nice. That is a sweet auto there. No numbers. Still a nice hit there. Let's get it sleeved up. Nice card there for the Warriors. Rookie card auto of Ryan Rollins. Rookie Inc. Definitely some nice color. Nice. Keep it going. Shadon Sharp, SGA, and a purple AR-15. Definitely got some color here. Austin Reeves. Looks like it's just an insert. Johnny Davis, rookie. Darius Baisley. Skyview, Nikola Jokic. And there we go. Chet Holmgren, rookie card. Draymond Green. Peyton Watson, rookie. And LaMelo Ball, Skyview. About halfway through the NBA Hoops retail box, we got an auto of Ryan Rollins. Definitely looking for another one. Jaden Ivey, rookie. James Wiseman. And a purple Monte Morris. Benedict Mathurin rookie card, and arriving now, Marjon Buchan. Franz Wagner, Josh Minott on the rookie card, Bradley Beal, Jabari Walker, and rookie greetings, Ochai Agbaji. There we go. Paulo Banchero rookie card. Nice. Nice hit there. We'll get that sleeved up. Ja Morant. Second Paulo rookie card. There we go. Let's get something else. Christian Braun rookie. Jabari Smith rookie for the Rockets. And Terry Rozier purple. Kendall Brown, rookie, Zion, and Pure Players, Steph Curry. Got about 8 more packs left of NBA Hoops. Retail box. AJ Griffin, rookie, Trey Mann, Dieng, rookie, and Jalen Green, Skyview. Wendell Moore Jr., Klay Thompson, and a Chet Holmgren holo. Nice. Chet Holmgren holo. Rookie greetings. Nice. We'll get that sleeved up. Nice hit there for the Rockets. Blake Wesley and Luka Doncic on the Skyview. All right, we got 4 more NBA Hoops packs left. Malachi Branham, Grayson Allen purple. Cat, Lonnie Walker, Jalen Williams, rookie, Trae Young, and Marlon Buchamp, rookie card purple. And down to our last 2 packs of NBA Hoops. We got Mark Williams, rookie, Chet Holmgren, rookie, and a Keegan Murray arriving now. All right, our final retail pack. We got a filler. Kennedy Chandler, Jordan Clarkson, Andrew Nemhard rookie, and a Johnny Davis rookie for the Wizards, and a filler card. So, a good amount of rookies there. Nothing crazy. Chet Holmgren silver, Ryan Rollins auto, and then a Paulo Banchero rookie. Definitely some good stuff. Ryan Rollins auto is sweet. Chet Holmgren foil is awesome. All right, let's get into some select now. Actually, let's do one of the NBA hoops here. Let's get some magic in one of these blasters. All right. We've got 2 select blasters, 2 NBA hoops blasters, and 2 optic value packs, and 1 select value pack left. It's definitely a good amount of stuff still. Chet Holmgren on the rookie, nice. Peyton Watson, Anthony Edwards, Jane Ivey arriving now, and Shadon Sharp. Go Spurs. What's up, Onder? Flying through the base. And we got Vince Williams Jr. on the rookie. Rudy Gay. Diabate. We got a Skyview Jason Tatum. And we got Alec Burks. Caleb Houston rookie, Moses Moody, Tyrese Martin, and Apollo Banchero on the rookie greetings. Nice hit there for the Magic. Jaren Jackson, that's our 3rd Paulo, so the Magic's definitely getting their money's worth today. Christian Braun, Jabari Smith, AJ Griffin, Trey Mann, Dieng, another Paulo. Christian Braun, another Paulo rookie. Nice. Good for the Magic. Yeah, the Spurs did have a patch hit. I'll find it for you in a second. But we did hit a nice patch card for the Spurs. Benedict Mathurin, Donovan Mitchell, another Paulo. Oh my gosh. So there was 3 Paulo rookie cards in there. Nice, Magic. Frequent Flyers, Zion. And a rookie sweaters, Dyson Daniels. Nice box there. Oh, we still got one more pack. Sorry. My bad. Already 3 Paulos so far in this blaster. Kendall Brown, Wendell Moore, and Jalen Terry. So a nice blaster there. Definitely nice for the Magic, who got 3 Paulos. And a couple of nice Thunder play, nice chat hit there. Let's get into some optic. Yeah, there was a patch to the Spurs. Let me find it. Here it is. It is rookie sweaters, Malachi Brownham. Nice patch. All right, let's get into some Donruss Optic, or some optics. Yeah, sorry. Donruss Optic. I don't know why it sounded so weird. Yeah, it was a nice patch too. Definitely not just a napkin patch. Primo, Herbert Jones in the rated rookie. DeAndre Ayton, Jason Tatum on the express lane, Kyrie Irving T-. Kemba on the purple, Malik Beasley, Darius Baisley, and Goran Dragic. No rated rookie blue velocities there. All right, let's get into the Select Blaster. One of these are going to hit big for us, I know it. All right, let's see what we can get from Select Blaster. Mobley, Desmond, Dennis Rodman. Ooh, nice. Nice hit there for the Pistons. Cade Cunningham, green, white, and purple. Sweet. Cameron Thomas, JT Thor, Clint Capella, and Zaire Williams on the orange shimmer. Nice. Nice color coming from Select today. Giannis, Bam, Jalen Johnson, Usman Garuba on the silver. Nice. Scotty Barnes, rookie. Melo, Julius Randle, and Ayo DeSumo, rookie, silver. Trey Murphy, Patrick Williams, Moses Moody, Jared Butler, rookie card, orange shimmer. Another nice orange shimmer rookie. Kawhi Leonard, Jason Tatum, LeBron, and Select Company, Akeem Olajuwon. All right, let's keep it going with Select. Cameron Thomas, JT Thor, Giannis, Bam, Jalen Johnson, Scotty Barnes, Melo, Julius Randle, Trey Murphy, Patrick Williams, Jonathan Kuminga, Jamal Murray in the silver, Jamal Murray numbers, TJ Warren blue, and a Day'Ron Sharp blue shimmer. Nice. Let's finish up the Select right here. And then we'll be down to 2 NBA Hoops Blasters and 1 Optic Value pack. And that'll be it for this break. Definitely been a fun one. All right, let's go. Josh Primo, Trae Young, Donovan Mitchell, and a silver Jordan Clarkson. Keon Johnson, Jimmy Butler, Isaiah Jackson, Marcus Smart, orange shimmer. Darius Garland, Kyle Kuzma, Jalen Suggs, Rookie Revolution Select, Josh Giddey. Nice. Chris Paul, Alex Caruso, Jaylen Brown, Marcus Smart. A lot of Marcus Smart right now. Gary Trent, Nikola Jokic, Bradley Beal, and another Bradley Beal in the orange shimmer. Anthony Davis, Zion, Russell Westbrook, and Jayshawn Tate on the silver. And that'll finish it up for Select. A lot of color for Select. Some good stuff. The Cade Cunningham green, white, and purple is definitely a nice hit for the Pistons. Some good, nice other Select. I love the Select look. I think they're the best. All right, let's finish up here. We've got one value pack of Optic and 2 NBA blasters of hoops. Let's get it finished up. All right, let's see what we get here. Josh Christopher, rated rookie. Robinson Earl. Day'Ron Sharp. Air Defense, Giannis. Steph Curry on the T-. Steph Curry on the purple. Nice. KD, Santi Aldama. Nice blue velocities right there. All right, NBA hoops. Last 2 blaster boxes, and then we're all done. Let's get them all both open so we can do rapid fire on the hoops. All right, there we go. All right, last 2 blaster boxes of NBA hoops. Here we go. Christian Braun, rookie. Jabari Smith. AJ Griffin. Jake Larvia. Giannis. Dieng for the Thunder, rookie. Benedict Mathurin, Andrew Wiggins, and Chet Holmgren, rookie sweater patch. Nice hit for the Thunder there on the Chet patch. Cool. And another, yeah, that was a nice Chet. Another Apollo rookie card, nice. Jonathan Kuminga, Kendall Brown in the rookie. Arriving now, Benedict Mathurin, and Jalen Williams arriving now, hollow. Another nice hit for the Thunder there. Wendell Moore, Klay Thompson, Jalen Williams, rookie, Trae Young, Pure Players, Zion, James Harden. Kenny Chandler, Andrew Nembhard, rookie greetings, AJ Griffin, and Spencer Dinwiddie on the purple. Last pack for this blaster. And we got Blake Wesley, rookie. Malachi Branham, rookie. Nice pack for the Spurs. Frequent Flyers, Tatum. Jeez. And we got a pink. Bradley Beal, purple. All right, last blaster box right here. 6 packs left. See if we can get some last box magic. Get something nuts here. And we got a Vince Williams on the rookie. The Diabetes. Caleb Houston and Jeremy Sokin on the arriving now. Sokan. Tyrese Martin, rookie. Christian Braun on the rookie. Darius Garland, frequent flyers. Oh, the pile's fallen. All right, we got 4 more packs left of NBA Hoops. Let's get it finished up. And we got Jabari Smith, AJ Griffin, sorry. Trey Mann, Dieng, Kawhi Leonard, and Bradley Beal. Benedict Mathurin on the rookie. Donovan Mitchell on our Apollo rookie card. Nice. Jonathan Kuminga, Blake Wesley, and LaMelo Ball on the pure players. Kendall Brown, rookie. Zion, Wendell Moore, Klay Thompson, Jalen Williams, rookie greetings. And on the patch, we got Christian Braun. Cool looking patch there, definitely. Nice. Another rookie sweaters. Then we got last pack here. Last pack of the blaster. Last pack of the break. Let's see what we can get. Jalen Williams, rookie. Kennedy Chandler, rookie. Anthony Davis. And our final card is Mark Williams, and they're arriving now. Definitely a ton. Sorry. Excuse me, guys. Definitely a ton of rookies there. Ton of great stuff. A lot of base rookies. Couple good hits. Couple silvers with that. Couple good Kate Cunninghams. Nice Chat Holmgren. Nice purple Giannis. A couple nice silver hollows. Or a couple nice foils. Sorry. Yeah, overall it was a fun break. Definitely a long one. I'll have this posted to my Instagram if you want to go back and check it out. And then I'll also have it posted to YouTube. And then make sure you guys are checking out future breaks, as we'll have a ton more. And if you already bought from me once, I'll make sure to discount you in the future. So, yeah, definitely make sure you check out the website for future upcoming breaks, and DM me if you guys want any products. If you guys need anything, just, yeah, make sure you guys reach out. And hope you guys have a good night, and thanks for tuning in.